Have you guys seen GameStop lately? It looked like the market wants to go up. So I'm here today to give you a quick video to show you where I think the market in GameStop is about to go. You guys can see that the market here in GameStop, this will probably be the massive buy zone in GameStop right there. So after we concluded in our price prediction in GameStop on the 29th of November, you guys can see we anticipated lower prices. We identified these two areas of buying. The first pocket was right here in between $27.16 to $27.48. The market has determined that that's where they wanted to buy. It even dipped a little bit lower than that. Maybe it barely touched the second pocket of buying on December the 5th. And that volume really substantiated what type of activity the market was doing on that day. They were buying. And they was doing a lot of buying because even the next day, on December the 6th, all the way down until December the 10th, they were still buying and people were still selling. So this scenario is telling us that the market demand in GameStop is still there. The sellers couldn't overpower them. The buyers were more determined. So what we need to do is anticipate that GameStop is still aiming for higher prices. Okay. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. Let's get rid of this pocket of buying there. And we're going to enlarge this one. Now, given that we're anticipating the market in GameStop to go up, let's pay attention to this area right here, because the last time we came, look what happened to the price action. It went down. So now the market here in GameStop is knocking on that door again of these sellers at 32 bucks. And they're like, all right, we're here again. Are you going to move out the way? Or do we need to buy you all out so that we can allow GameStop to continue to go up? Right now, on the daily time frame, you guys can see that GameStop has given us that signal that the market is still aiming for higher levels, right? The last time we saw price in GameStop was back in June the 11th, 2024, of it trading in this price range. So, question, do you think the market is ready to break out? Here it is on the 2. We have a couple more hours left and the market's already in the pre-market closing off of the highs, which is indicative of selling still occurring in this zone, in this pocket. Here it is on the 3. The 3-day chart still looks pretty bullish. So I will say, maybe in the next 3 days onward, the market in GameStop looks pretty bullish still, because these 3-day price bars were negligent in not allowing the market to fall. Here it is on the 4. 9 hours and 2 minutes left on this current 4-day bar. I want to see the market close up there at the high of the bar. Right now, like I said, the pre-market is coming off the highs. So a lot of things going to be contingent on us seeing how this 4-day price bar closes. If it closes up here, yes, I will be anticipating higher prices in GameStop. Same thing on the 5. Here it is on the wiki chart. So far, it looks pretty bullish. The only issue, the risk that the market has if you're a buyer is, hey, it may not be ready to break out right now because of this pocket of selling. So if it doesn't happen, I mean, you guys don't have to question and wonder the reason why GameStop is going down. I'm telling you the reason right now. There's a lot of people, maybe one institution that is trying to sell, and it is impacting the buyers. Okay. So what we're going to do, though, is we're going to anticipate that the market here at GameStop wants to go higher. Okay, so let's do the first target up here at the top of this first sell zone, which is at $33.50, $33.60. That will give us 7.13% there. Our next target is going to be up here at the bottom of this massive bigger seller's pocket, which is around $37.38. Which is around, let me see, $37.43. That would give us 19.58% there. Okay, so as long as the market in GameStop really holds this trend line and this newest pocket of buying, which is, we'll do it right around here. We're going to look for the market to continue to trend bullish. Okay. Now, it may be a rough ride, meaning that these sellers in this first pocket can really try to dump their stocks to try to impact price and move it a lot lower. But that's it. That's where I'm at. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.